If you look back at our first four recordings and we talk about content creation using AI, right? And we talked about how we could use AI to write more content in our own voice and talking about editing it so that it's in our own voice, our writing, right? Having AI analyze the blogs that we have done in the past and then write the same way that we do. So it cuts down on drafting time. And we also, talk to you guys about not putting out AI content. So it makes a great draft. I would say go back and edit it, okay? Because that will give your touch into that piece, okay? Any content you guys make. Don't just trust AI and go in, okay? You still want to proofread it too.
The personal stories go very far when you're doing this type of work. So when you inject in something saying, "Hey, I had a past client, this is what their experience was, this is the issues that we had, and it's related to the topic you're talking about." Look at it as like the AI is giving you a Mad Lib. They're giving you a lot of the great stuff, but your job is to go fill in the blanks.
Okay, Deb, what is this YouTube thing you're talking about? Who's GV? TF is what's TF?
Oh, sorry.
TV.
So, Kyle had mentioned it. Oh, heck, I don't know. I think on Monday's call, and it's Tom Ferry interview with Gary V
Oh,
Yeah,
on
so with
AI.
that,
Did you
yeah.
see that? Did you see that, Joe?
Yeah, so what it is and what Kyle was referencing, and hey, love you, Kyle. I know I texted you that you don't watch this, but that's okay. We'll see you soon. It's based on the fact of doing more in-depth prompting. So that's why, like, if you go back into the previous episodes and you look at that huge research prompt that I have, that's
Mhm.
exactly what that's talking about, is where we're not being casual with it anymore. We are being like really deliberate in kind of like deep diving and building out, I don't want to say like mini programs, but basically mini programs in how we prompt AI in any way, shape, or form. And that's what that interview basically was talking about, how Gary does the
It's a
type
good
of prompts
example.
that, yeah, exactly. And it's honestly going to help everybody because it's making it normalized and okay. Because if Gary says it's okay, and I'm talking about Gary V, not any other initials, just Gary V. If Gary V says it's okay, people are going to run towards it. If another Gary says it and he's got a different initial, run away because that clock's only right twice a year. Not even a day, a year.
yeah, you got jokes many people don't get. So we'll
Oh,
move on.
yeah. Okay, yeah.
We'll move
Basically, I
on.
was saying, the arm's on the clock when it's broken, they're right twice a day. I'm
Okay.
saying a guy named, I don't know, Gary K, that guy,
Okay.
he's only right
Okay.
then.
Okay. Cool. So what I'm getting, what Joe is saying is like, you go and control AI. Don't let AI control you, right? It's kind of like when you put in like give me a blog post about like buying a home in Dallas. Okay, I'm just use Dallas today. It will spit out an article for you, right? That's AI controlling you. So AI made all that, right? But what Joe is saying is when you do this long prompt, I want you to make a post about Dallas targeting 29 to 39 years old. Talk about these neighborhoods that's perfect for first-time home buyers. Give it parameters like give it parameters on like how to borrow money. Just give them everything, right? And that's you programming AI. So you're controlling AI, you're controlling the output. Okay. So there's a little difference there. People that are going to find success are the people that put in, give it some thought on the prompts. So a lot of people think AI is like the easy button where you just type in something and it spits out all this good stuff. When everyone is doing it and they're spitting out the same stuff, it's going to be different than this class here. Everyone here is going to get very good AI content because of us, right? Because we're looking at different prompts here. Okay, so I'm going to give us let's show an update, Joe. Let's see how our first project is. So how this AI lab runs, we do different labs, we do different projects, right? First, we did the content creation. So I'm going to share my page. This is my AEO research here.